For more than 20 years, Dr. Phaneuf, on his own time, has been going to India to help in a clinic that provides free medical care to the poorest of the poor.
That work had a really powerful influence on me, and that it brought me back to the roots of why I went into medicine in the first place, which is to help people.
And through his work in India, the Ashland Free Medical Clinic was born.
His many trips to India gave him, I think, some spark that he brought back, and from nothing he developed the Ashland Free Medical Clinic. He just felt it was so important to deliver medical care to a population that was underserved.
In developing this Ashland Clinic, Joe has spent 2.5 years, countless hours trying to get this thing developed.
Why these kind of ideas would not come to me? Because I'm afraid to think about it. So I don't even imagine it. But he went beyond that, and he started a project like this.
The Ashland Free Medical Clinic opened on January 8, 2005 in the San Lorenzo High School Health Clinic. It's open every Saturday from 8 a.m. to noon, including holidays. The clinic provides free medical care for acute and chronic illness and provides free lab services and medication.
We usually see about 20 to 30 patients each Saturday morning, and the patients that we serve are mainly Spanish-speaking patients. When a patient comes into the clinic, we first make sure that it's something we can handle. They have to go through both a medical triage and also a financial triage to see if they qualify for the clinic. So our goal is to take care of everybody who falls through the cracks.
We have a lot of people with pre-diabetic, diabetic symptoms who come here to our clinic, which is one of the main purposes of our clinic.
The Ashland Free Medical Clinic has over 50 regular volunteers from Kaiser Permanente, the Sathya Sai Baba Service Organization, and from former patients that have become volunteers.
The clinic has been successful just due to the hard effort of so many people that are really dedicated and have a spirit of sacrifice.
My work at Ashland has sensitized me to the needs of other people more. You learn to put yourself in their shoes.
Being able to serve. It is a great joy when you know you have served voluntarily. You have given of yourself to help others. The rewards are priceless.
And for the patients finding this clinic,
saved my life. I don't even want to think of the fact that they weren't here.
They're really thankful for what we've done, for taking care of them, and open the clinic on Saturday and helping them like that. And they show their gratitude a lot.
Dr. Phaneuf is not only respected by his patients, but admired by his colleagues.
I think he's amazing, wonderful. I'm here to help him.
I learned a lot through his love and his passion toward the patient.
We do have one primary care doctor, so in other words,
his devotion, his inspiration, which was a key to this clinic, is what's driving us all.
We do need more people just like him to make this great difference.
He looks for a better way to do something, and then he doesn't just have a vision, but he has a drive to make that vision reality.
To Joe, nothing is impossible. Just some things, as they say, take a little longer. And he just keeps moving forward. He is relentless.
Certainly, he has gone far and above what most other physicians would even have the time for or the inclination for.
He's really caring and very concerned about you whenever you ask questions.
Joe is a very spiritual person. And it's not kind of the preachy kind of spiritualness, it's kind of the walk in the walk kind of spiritualness. And I really think that this Ashland Clinic is an expression of that spirituality.
The Ashland Free Medical Clinic is a wonderful team effort with a large group of individuals working together in a spirit of love and self-sacrifice. And I'm just happy to be a part of that wonderful team.
Immediately, he was my hero. Because if it wasn't for him, they wouldn't be here and I wouldn't have got my medications. So, in my mind, he's a hero.